Hello, I am Yusuf D. Meman from Matiari. Today I teach you exercise 5 of unit 5.3 language practice of English class 9 new course. Dear students, in previous lecture I solved 5 numbers of this exercise. Today I am trying to solve the remaining 5. Number 6. We hope we will be able to get permission from our parents, said the children. The indirect form of this sentence will be the children hoped that they would be able to get permission from their parents. We will be able, the word pronoun we will be changed into they, and will be changed into would, or will be changed into there. This is indirect form. Now, number 7. I never thought that a son of mine would get such bad marks, said his father. His father said that I never thought. He had never thought. There is a past simple. The past simple will be changed into past perfect. I will be changed into he. He had never thought that a son of his mine will be changed into his would get such bad marks. Such bad marks. Number 8. The blind boy said, I wish I could see this interesting match on television. The blind boy wished that he could see. That is not necessary to use. If we use that or not. The blind boy wished he could get he could see that interesting match. This will be changed into that interesting match on television. Number 9. Next week we promise we will clean whole house, the children said to their parents. The children told their parents The children told their parents that the next week they promised the next week they promised they would clean whole house. They would clean the whole house. Number 10. Our team has won the Champions Trophy here for the first time, said the coach. The coach said that our pronoun R will be changed into their team has will be changed into had, present perfect will be changed into past perfect, had won the Champions Trophy here the word here will be changed into their Champions Trophy there for the first time. For the first time. This is the indirect form of these remaining 5 sentences. Thank you very much.